Alright, so these are the auxiliary condensers right here for the generators, which are going to sit right above these condensers. So here is the low pressure turbine and the shaft that comes from it. It's now glued onto the condenser. So here are the feedwater pumps. This is the steam turbine feed pump, and this is the main electric powered pump. And this one is the in-port feedwater pump. I don't have any schematics of where they are, so I'm just gonna guess. Should go right here maybe. Just making some support beams for the upper engine room floor. Doesn't this look pretty cool? So now I'm working on the drinking water and the sewage system. So this is the sanitary pressure tank, which is able to hold pressure for the drinking water. And here is the sewage tank right here, right behind the generators. Alright, I'm having a little bit of trouble here. This is not quite lining up right. This is a bit of a problem, but, you know, I suppose it's such a big model, things can be kind of confusing. But this, I don't know, we'll have to remeasure and make sure have all these measurements right. Alright, I installed more lights. Lights over here by the feedwater pumps, and a light right above the control module. Here are the stairs and the sewage tank. Got them all painted, and I had to cut the stairs right here. Cut them a little bit so they'd fit right over top of the sewage tank, but I was able to get it to fit in there pretty good. So yeah, here's the feedwater pumps, which I have painted now. Okay, so it looks like with the stairs, you gotta move this a little bit. So here's the piece I cut out. Could just cut this bit out and then put it right over here. It's not gonna be perfectly lined up, but this right here is the combustion control panel. I guess this would be to control the combustion of the coal and the stoking mechanisms, but this is about where it's supposed to go, right by the boilers. So this is what I'm trying to make. The combustion control panel, and then there's the boiler right there. Okay, so I got all three feedwater pumps glued down, and here are the discharge pipes from the main feed pumps, and I have the combustion control panel glued down. Here are the feedwater pipes. This pipe would be the discharge from the two main feedwater pumps, and that down there is for the water to come in, which would be coming from the deaerator up in the smokestack. And that bit of cardboard there is so I can more easily fit another pipe on top of it like that. Alright, so this is a steam pipe for the generators, and here are the water lines for the feed water pumps. Making it out of straws, and yeah, I just have to basically guess where they go because I don't have any schematics that would actually show. So I'm going to connect these two straws, and right here is a bit of cardboard, a bit of scrap wrapped up cardboard, and here too, and it needs to be connected like this. I'm just going to hot glue it together, and having this bit of cardboard in there really helps it to fuse together. Here it is, glued together. You can see the bit of cardboard in there holding them together, and this piece is gonna go right here. This will be the exhaust line from the steam turbine feed water pump. Have you subscribed yet? Do it now, or else Mr. Poopy Pants is gonna get it. Subscribe. I need the subscribers. Okay, you're not gonna subscribe? Alright then.